Try the Chanel Sublimage L'Essence Detained Foundation. Today, mag-unbox po tayo ng ating isang Chanel Cosmetics. So, I bought this just recently para malaman nyo lang po how it looks like. Ayan. So, this is Chanel Sublimage Foundation. So, bubuksan natin, guys. Super fancy niya kasi it comes like in a gold box. Tapos, meron siyang ganito. Wow! So, meron siyang sariling brush niya. How it looks like. Yan. It's kind of firm to the touch. Soft naman siya pag ginaganon-ganon mo siya. So, I'm not a fan of this kind of brush, but, yan. Thank you, Chanel, I guess. Then, ito na. Bubuksan natin. So, ito ang itsura ng ating Chanel Sublimage L'Essence Detained. This is actually shade B10. Meron na ako actually nito, guys, pero darker shade siya. B20 naman to. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon, yung experiment natin ngayon is darker shade po dito sa lateral areas or sides ng ating face and the lighter shade po sa central areas ng ating face. So, nag-prep na po ako ng face, Azelane Soap, Acne Regulin Spray, and also the Hydrolac Light Moisturizer. So we will go ahead and see how this looks like. Going to use a palette. This is the B20. So ganyan lang siya karami and I think that's already enough. I'm just going to get a little bit and then I'm gonna mark yung mga areas na gusto kong lagyan like that. So I am so excited to try. And then after that, I just bring it that way, bring it down that way. So how I'm like spreading it, it's very, very gentle, guys. I don't do too much. I'm very demure. Just. So yan, guys, I just bring it down that way. And if I feel like kailangan pa ng konti, I just go ahead and do that. So makikita nyo, guys, no, yung hair ko, it's still peeking through. So, it's still peeking through, guys, na yung hair ko. So, parang, I like that people can still see some imperfections in my skin. So, I just want to improve the appearance and also reduce the redness of my skin, no? So, ganun lang siya, guys. So, again, here in the other side. So, again, guys, we're trying the Chanel Sublimage Foundation. So, ayan. So, ayan. I'm just gonna spread it this way. Like that. Like that, diba? So, what I like about the Chanel Sublimage is it is so easy to spread and easy to control. We are done with the darker shade, guys. Now, we are going to go ahead and do the central parts of the face. So, using the lighter shade of our Sublimage L'Essence Detained. So, now we are done with the darker shade, guys. So, now I'm going to go ahead and put the lighter shade of our Chanel Sublimage L'Essence Detained sa central parts of our face. So, this is how I do it. So, maglalagay tayo ng konting amount lang dito sa ating top layer sa ating palette. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a small amount and I usually start here. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. So, yan, diba? Tapos, magbe-blend lang siya yung sa baba na part. Nagbe-blend lang siya usually. So, ayan, diba? Nakikita niyo pa rin yung mga imperfections natin. So, this area, guys, medyo malalaki yung pores ko. So, I tried to put more product in this area, but not too much kasi nga, we are trying to or attempting to like go for that natural look, I guess. Kasi remember, magpa-powder pa tayo later, di ba? So, yun. So, ayan, guys. So, ayan guys, sorry. Nag-dead air tayo. So, ganyan lang ako mag-apply guys, right? Very simple, very demure. So, ayan. So, do not forget the crevices of your face. Dito na tayo sa nose area. So, sa nose area, guys, sobrang OA ng size ng mga pores ko. Kaya, I try to make sure na makakover natin ang ating nose area. Dahil, syempre, gusto natin pantay. Don't forget, sa ilalim ng ating nose. And I'll go ahead and apply more. Ganyan. Parang umaandar yung migraine ko, guys. I don't know. Pag silaw kasi, guys, na umaandar yung migraine ko sa silaw, guys. Grabe. Ayan. Okay? And of course, kung gusto nyo gawin yung liit-liit lips technique natin, balikan nyo na lang po yung other videos ko. Pwede nyo rin po yung gawin. Okay? So, that's how it looks like without the powder. So guys, for our powder is gonna be the Dior Forever Natural Velvet. So this is 2N. So again guys, 2N on the sides of our face, lateral sides of the face, darker shade po. And then 1N naman po in the central areas of our face. Para kunwari, meron tayo pa-contour na nangyayari. So ganyanin natin guys. Very cutesy, konti lang. So again, sa sides lang ng ating face. So, kayo na po bahala kung saan nyo gustong tumigil ang inyong darker shade. So, ayan guys. Okay. Then again, on the other side, ganyan po. Ganyan po. Ayun guys. So, huwag nyo lang po kapalan kasi para achieve nyo po yung natural look. And sa darker shade po, dito sa sides ng ating nose. Darker shade po yan. Para may konting shape ang ating ilong. So, very gently ko lang po siyang nilalagay. Hindi ko po siya dinidiin masyado because we do not want to disturb the layers of our makeup. So, ayan guys, now for the lighter shade, again, it's the Dior Forever Natural Velvet 1N naman. So, lighter shade dito sa central areas ng ating face. Okay? So, I just usually start with the nose area. Very konti lang. Very gently also like that. Okay? Konti again. Okay, go. And then after that, dito rin po lalagyan natin. Okay. Very cutesy and very konti lang. Then, ganyan. And then guys, para siyang may fragrance or may smell. I don't know the exact smell, but medyo pleasant naman yung amoy niya guys. But yun, meron siyang fragrance po. So, if hindi kayo fan ng fragrance, so please alam nyo po. So, pwede nyo naman po i-test yung product pag nasa Dior po kayo, if ever. Alright. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos dito. And then, dito sa sides. Crevices. Sa sides also. Crevices. Ayan. So, I will show you how this looks like. So, ayan guys, this is how it looks like. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!